Learn once and for all how to join a cable the right way. This is a classic splice from the 20th century, back when connectors were a luxury and electricians fixed everything by hand. In the old days, before modern connectors existed, this was how electrical wires were joined, twisted carefully with patience and skill. Today it still earns respect, but only in professional hands, because it demands precision and control. You need the steady touch of a Swiss watchmaker to get it perfect. Not everyone can do it properly, but it was the true pioneer of old-school electrical work.